I'm Andy Trickshot Taylor. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over body tracers and different ways you can do them, okay? So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. So hello. First of all, learning body tracers, what you need to get the concentration of is this in spin. Okay, so it comes in towards the body and then back out. Right, so next of all, what you need to do, you need to get this around the back. Okay, so you're going 1, 2 around the back. So what you're actually doing, okay, so I'm going to show you from this angle, is when I go here, on the moment that it hits 9 o'clock, I'm going to bring this up and behind my back and bring it back to the front until you can get this going. Hello guys, right, next of all, what you need to do is once you bring this back around the front, you're going to bring this up to this shoulder here. So it's just the same as doing this, look. So do you know when we put this on our shoulder here? That's the next stage, okay? Next of all, what we're going to do is we're going to turn our hips into the direction of where our nunchuck is, and we're going to bring this down and back over. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bring this up, over, so we can get this going. And then up here and here. Until you've got this motion going. Congratulations, you have learned your first body tracer. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please remember to support my channel and subscribe, like, leave us a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, have an amazing day, guys.